Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ekaterina and this is another episode of Paint with me. Large-scale walled art, like this one, let's face it, could be very expensive. This one, for example, could go up to $1,000 if not more, and sometimes when we're looking for just the right art, we can't even find it. So given all of that, why not to paint our own? By the end of this video, you will be proudly mounting one of those large-scale artworks on one of your walls at home, and it will look like if you picked it up from the gallery. Imagine one of your friends is going to come by and ask, "Oh, where did you get this one from?" And you'll be saying, "You know what? This is one of my own." Just imagine. So let's just paint it. If you don't have skills or you think you're not creative, all of that, it doesn't really matter. Don't worry, it's very simple. If you already have an idea in mind, that's great. If not, you can just follow me. I saw this image a while ago. This is a wallpaper by a very well-known interior designer, Kelly Wessler. I'll link her up in the description below. And I thought that this simple line work looked amazing, and it gave me an idea to use it as an inspiration for an abstract. Okay, it's time to get your canvas ready. We start from a background layer, which is very simple. You will need an acrylic paint and a medium of your choice. I use Gloss by Golden. Any brush you can find around your house also will do. And I use a disposable palette, but you know what? Any paper plate will do the same job. The color I chose for a background is very soft, creamy, and it will make sure that the line work that I will do as a second layer will stand out very well. On top of that, the creamy color actually works with a lot of interior spaces, so this is why I'm choosing it. My canvas is now dry and I'm ready for the second layer. I need a pencil for this so I can lightly sketch the lines. I already drew and I did it freely. I didn't want to follow the reference. And that was actually an idea, because this way, this abstract is going to be truly yours. So just enjoy, because it's the best part of the process. Okay, I am roughly halfway through the process and I realized that my line work doesn't look consistent throughout. And upon some reflection, I decided to add a symmetry, because symmetry actually makes everything look nicer. To achieve this effect, I will need some help. So I'll be using this tape. I will use it to map out the marks on the canvas. Make sure that it looks consistent and symmetrical, and then I will paint over the guidance. This is the end of the process. I absolutely enjoyed it, and oh boy, this painting looks beautiful. It's amazing, it's large scale, there's nothing like a large scale wall art, and I can't tell you how great it feels, because it's actually one of your own. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed painting with me, and I'll see you in the next one.